few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work.
So we might come down here and get fat. We might come down here and get thick.
Get thick.
We about to get thick. Everybody just kept saying Louisiana, murder state capital, da da da. So we like, hold up, murder. All the neighbors on the block was standing outside when the police came, and they all just in the huddle talking. And we came into the huddle too, because you know we new on the block and we need to know what's up. So we're having a very hard time interior designing this shotgun home. So
Make it make sense.
Yeah, that one lineman that pushed me up the rocket ramp, he was like running. He was like,
Hi, Smudge.
Let's go. I was like, please don't.
You're interested with the camera? Hi, Smudge. Hi, Smudge. Photogenic.
Isn't he with his crossed eyes?
Yeah. His little green eyes.
Say, which way do I look?
Hi, Smudge.
It's game day. I don't know if I've ever seen this many tailgaters here before.
Oh,
just you wait.
people start, like there's a rule that you can't come on campus until 6 o'clock on Friday night because people literally line up at the gates of campus while we're still in classes to come get a tailgate.
And LSU is like during the day, it's a no-car campus. Like you can't drive through it. People will just literally wait at the gates, like ready to claim their spot. Go Tigers! I love this.
That's all it is, just go Tigers.
So cute.
Yeah, it's a little vintage. This is like the old mascot, the old like thing. Yeah, so cute.
Are you ready?
The pressure here.
Wow.
The pressure.
Pressure here.
The pressure is getting
I'm ready though.
worse.
Mike the Tiger.
Nice and shady.
That's a big paw.
That is nice and shady.
Look at this beautiful sanctuary he has. He
Yeah,
has an elevator that goes down into his indoor quarters.
that's pretty cool.
Big down your clean, your living room is high. Busy, allergic to winter time. Give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work. Make the block.
Okay, we are officially inside the stadium. We got the menu. We're about to see where our seats are.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof. Can you play that again? Baby, what you wanna do?
Candy bar,
I'm ready to pull up on you.
It's up indulging in everything. You got the ice cream, you got the cookies. But we might come down here and get fat. We might come down here and get thick.
Get thick.
We about to get thick.
Taking up a tape for you. Sweet baby, give me bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, give me bite it, bite it, bite it, hug you, bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, give me bite it, bite it, sweet baby, give me bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, give me bite it.
LSU takes their football very serious. We're having a good time. Louisiana, y'all lit. About to be here. She got me jaywalking. We really about to be here, but I always get that feeling right before we go somewhere. Like that's how I felt right before we went to Costa Rica. I was like, oh my God, are we making the right decision? I feel like I felt a little less like that with Mexico, but it was still a little nervous. Everybody just kept saying Louisiana, murder state capital, da da da. So we like, hold up. Murder.
Stay away from over here. Stay away from there.
Yeah. Don't go here. Don't go there. Make sure you. And of course, we alert. I'm gonna have to get us another shanker, another knife, another taser.
I'm gonna get my gun permit while we out here.
She said she gonna get her gun permit.
Don't mess with me.
You know they love the guns in the South. They love the guns in the South. But yeah, we definitely got to be careful. But I feel like New Orleans is a place where like it's impossible to be crammed up in your house though.
Yeah.
Like you gotta, and they have so many festivals. Apparently they have a festival every weekend somewhere, somehow. Like every parish has their own festival and they just make up excuses to party basically. What it sounds like.
Party.
They was playing that Boosie, that Lil Wayne. I was like,
LSU did not come to play. They party different, okay?
yeah.
They don't party like any other college. They party.
We had a good time at the game.
Yeah. Tailgating, that was fun.
Yeah.
You know, it was hot.
It was hot.
Oh
It was
my
so
god,
hot.
it was so hot.
Yesterday was a long day, but definitely worth it. I feel like this is a good way to kick off our moving to New Orleans.
Like, welcome to New Orleans. Here's what we have to offer.
Lucky we got some good friends, some good connections and stuff while we're down here.
Water.
The food, every meal that we have had, every meal we had slapped. So good. Not had a bad meal yet.
It never, like, I don't want to say I'm waiting on that moment where I'm like, nah, it's not that good, but I don't want that moment. But it's interesting to be somewhere where everything you eat is amazing.
I don't know what they're doing.
Part of 21 Jump Street was filmed.
Wow.
This is the Nola.
We got a long day today.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. Our day is packed with lots of activities.
Yep. Oh, and good food.
That's the part she's excited about. So yeah, we're about to get ready to go. Bottomless mimosas. I'm down for some mimosas. We had nice guys. We're so hungry. I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry as hell. Y'all, it's our first full week in Nola. The police done already been on our block, child. Some man was trying to jump the gates in people's backyard. All the neighbors on the block was standing outside when the police came, and they all just in a huddle talking. Like, everybody know each other. And we came into the huddle too, because, you know, we new on the block and we need to know what's up. So, but I'm about to go get my nails done. It's been time to get these done. I had 1 cup of coffee today. I feel so anxious. I feel like jittery. Like something just feels off. I don't know if I should be drinking coffee for real. I don't know. But I found this cute little bookshop I think I'm gonna check out before I go get my nails done. Period. Blacky black black. I like how I see all the brown peoples on the books. How beautiful.
Why is the doorway right there? Why it can't be like, if it's gonna be shotgun, have all the doors
lined up. That's how I seen the other videos were. So our problem is,
come rebuild this wall right now.
There's no outlets on this wall. We can't put the bed right there on this wall. We can't put it on that wall. We can't put it here. So the only place to put the bed is against this wall. But we can't put the TV in front of the doorway.
That's too much.
Then we got the bed right now on this wall, right? But we can't put the TV this way because there's no outlets on this wall.
How you gonna have no outlets on the wall? No, not one.
I'm having a very hard time interior designing this shotgun home. I don't know how y'all did it. How do y'all do this? that extension cord not long enough. We're gonna have to get a long one.
And that's gonna be ugly.
There's an outlet.
That's gonna be so.
So
Make it make sense.
we're thinking about keeping the bed right here and getting a projector to project on this wall instead of having our TV.
Only Friday.
What we about to go do?
Gonna get food, Ethiopian food, because I've been craving it for months. And then we're gonna go get that place.
Yes.
And see a friend that we didn't know lived here.
I've been watching videos to learn like the different sides of town, like the West Bank, East Bank, the Metairie area, you know, different parishes.
Just trying to be locals.
Just trying to be locals. I also realized that there are not a lot of vloggers, like New Orleans based vloggers who actually like lives here. Like I see maybe like 2 or 3 girls, but not a lot of people that actually live here be vlogging, or maybe I'm just missing them. Like,
So run it up.
Right.
Run it up.
If y'all know some New Orleans vloggers, let me know. Comment below. Comment their name below and I'm gonna check them out.
I be scared. I ain't gonna lie. I don't usually be nervous when I drive, but living out here, I be nervous. Like, I be tense, palms get sweaty. I just don't know. It just, these streets aren't like.
No, for real. Like this car, that's the thing. You just go in the middle of the street and then you turn that way, turn that way.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
So I tried Ethiopian food. I think this is really my second time trying it. I feel like I remember the taste of that bread and I don't know. I don't like it.
But I said earlier, I really thought we had it.
Maybe, but it's not my cup of tea. But I am ready to drink this daiquiri though.